Say goodbye to sciatica pain with this natural treatment. If you or someone you know suffers from sciatica, you know how unbearable the pain can be. Sciatica is a condition where the sciatic nerve, which starts in the lower back and spreads through the buttocks towards the legs, becomes inflamed or compressed. The pain caused by this condition can be quite unpleasant and debilitating, often leading to chronic pain, heavy legs, tingling, and discomfort while sitting. Fortunately, there is a natural treatment that has been proven to work in almost 100% of cases. While we advise seeking the advice of a good doctor to investigate the underlying causes and determine the best treatment for you, this supplement can be an effective complement to your treatment plan. The treatment. This treatment involves soaking your feet in a hot water bath with salt and apple cider vinegar before going to bed. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Take a 20-liter container and fill it halfway with hot water. Make sure the water is as hot as you can bear. Step 2. Add a handful of salt, preferably Himalayan pink salt, and half a liter of apple cider vinegar to the container. Step 3. Mix all the ingredients well. Step 4. Soak your feet in the water for 20 to 35 minutes, or until the water cools down. Step 5. Dry your feet and put on a pair of socks. Make sure you don't touch the ground with your feet, even with a slipper. Step 6. Go straight to bed and keep your feet warm. You can sleep with a half or a towel to keep them heated. Step 7. The next morning, don't put your feet on the cold floor. Use at least one slipper when walking. Also, if possible, use a slipper when showering. Comments. It's worth noting that hypertensive patients should not do this treatment. If they choose to do it, they should use Himalayan pink salt instead of regular salt. Conclusion. If you're suffering from sciatica, give this natural treatment a try. While it may not work for everyone, it has been effective for almost all the people who have tried it. As always, make sure to consult with your doctor before trying any new treatment. Liked the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.